thank you for watching my channel. It's another brand new video and I'm doing this makeup look. This is inspired by Miss Catriona Gray, her Miss Universe pageant night makeup look. So this is kind of a smoky eye look, and if you want to know how I created this makeup, then keep on watching. So let's get started! Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and ring that bell to see more of my videos. So I'll start my face with this rose water I got from Nivea. I already put my contacts. And then I'll use the Hydrogenous from L'Oreal. You just massage it to your face gently to moisturize your face, to protect your face as well on the products you're gonna use on your face. I'm going ahead to my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm using my Fancy Beauty blender. I damp it with water and then finishing it with my rose water. I found this one. I used this before if I don't want to have a product on my hands. Apply it as well towards your neck. And guys, I forgot to put on primer. And then I'm using this kabuki brush just to cover those scars that I have. I have a pimple scar in here which turned into a hole. So I want to cover it as well. If you want to have your makeup long lasting, you can always apply a primer like this from L'Oreal. For my concealer, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I'm using the same beauty blender to buff the concealer. For eye base, I'm using this MAC Prep Prime, making it warm. And to lock my base, I'm using this MAC Fixer powder. Guys, my base is done. I'm gonna come back with my brows, so I'll do my brows off camera. And guys, I'm back. I'm done with my brows. It's a bushy brow. If you want to know how I created this bushy brow, comment down below and I will make a video on how I created the bushy brow. And I'm done with my left eye, and let's go ahead to the eye makeup. Next is I'm picking this up, light brown. I'm switching to Morphe brush and I'm picking up this dark brown. for the gold shimmer, she put gold shimmer in her inner eye. So luckily I have this shade down here. This is for my transition one. It's a light gold. And now I'll grab this gold color. And now let's do the under eye. I'm using exact shade, the one I use for my eyeshadow. Oh, and now I'll go ahead for my liquid eyeliner from Rimmel. So before I put on my lashes, let's clear up first my baking. So before I remove this one, I will apply first my bronzing. After the nose, we'll do the cheeks. And for my blush, I'm using this Tarte and I'm on the peachy tone. And then let's completely remove that baking that I put in here. And guys, I'll come back again for my lipstick and for the final look. And for the lashes, I'm using this Kiss. For my lipstick, I'm using this Lancome. And I'm gonna finish my makeup with Tarte Ready Set Radiant. Alright you guys, my makeup is done. It's Miss Catriona inspired makeup. This is her signature look that she wears during the Miss Universe pageant. And also she has some appearances that she was wearing this type of makeup look. Hope you enjoy my video and don't forget to ring the bell to see more of my makeup videos. And see you guys in my next one. Bye! I don't have a crown with me. I'll do a fashion show just to channel that Catriona look. And I have a crown here with me. I made this one. And also I'm planning to do a mermaid inspired makeup, so I'll do that later.